everyone. Today I'm going to be sending in a horizontal cross brace at the end of a run of barbed wire, 4-strand barbed wire fence. So what we need for this operation, of course, I need my good cross brace right here that you can see. It's a 4x4. It's a locust I had sawn at the sawmill, and it's a good solid locust post. And we'll need a 10-inch pin and a 5-inch pin, plus also a drill with a 3/8-inch bit on it. Now what I have done, because what I want to do is put these pins, one pin in one end and in the post, and then once I get it up there, then I'll drill through the other end and put the longer pin, the 10-inch pin. So what I have done is I've taken a piece of tape at 2.5 inches and marked it because those are 5-inch pins, so I want to go halfway in with it. And then on the other pin, I'm going to go all but maybe a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch in. So I marked it, so you can see this is how much I will be having sticking outside of the other post over here. So anyway, we'll get started on this and I'll show you how it's done. So we'll drill the, get it all set up here and just follow along. Alright, so that's the 2.5 inch, so I can get rid of that piece of tape now. And what I want to do is go to the post and drill another. Whoop, I took it off too early, so I'll just have to gauge it by eye here where I am. A 1/2 inch hole into this post here for that little short pin to set into. Now that I got that tapped into the end of the post, I will put the other end into that post and then lay the brace across there. All right, we have that in. Now then I set up and I drill my long end into this end of the post over here. I do need to knock that down a little bit more. Now I'll eyeball where this goes into the post and drill it right in. And I'll leave that much out, so when I run my brace wire, it'll catch it on this side here. So that is the routine for setting a cross brace to get it started. Now we have to do the brace wire, and that will be in the next episode of setting a horizontal cross brace. Thank you for watching. Be sure and hit the subscribe button, like it. Also, send me some comments, see what you think. One reason I put that post or that cross brace in there that way was it's always easier to put that in and drill into the cross brace than to drill it prior and then trying to find the hole. To me, it's a lot easier, just drill through everything. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.